G and Zimetra. Great! Tomorrow is exam day and I'm still stuck at question 1. And what's worse is that I don't even know how to solve that. Hey, Squirtle. Mom said that if I failed again, she would have killed me. Do you think she means that? I don't know. Probably not. But why taking the risk? What if she does mean that? Well, you got a point. But I think it won't hurt to play for a while. You know, just to relax. Yes, I guess. Let's see. You safe? Mom isn't around? I must be a genius to get all those things so well hidden. Yay! Score 1 point! Best shooter in the world! Another 3 points. Cool! Oh, I heard Mom's footsteps. Let's forward and hide the bag. Hey Mom, I'm doing great for tomorrow's exam. She left. Luckily, this can be folded and easy to store. If you like this, please share this with your friends and give this video a big thumbs up. Let's try to get our GNZ family 15 subscribers in the end of September and see if we can even get to 100. Take out a hard card paper and fold it into 3 parts. And if it has a smaller slope, when you throw the balls, it will get in more easily. But if you want the game to be more difficult, you can go for a greater slope. So when you throw the balls, they're more likely to bounce off if you hit the board inside of the score holes. Because of all these, there isn't a definite proportion of 3 parts. Mine is 12 cm, 6 cm, and 16 cm if you need reference. Since I torn down the paper from some old exercise book and I don't want the blue color, so I wrapped it with white newspaper. On the paper, draw 5 shapes with different sizes so you can have different scores for them. And the most easier one is to draw 5 circles with varied sizes. Cut the shapes out. And it's time to give this board a shape. I like using a tape with paper texture, but you can use 2-sided tape or glue if you want. I have to use 2-sided tape for this one as there is not much space. The reason why I don't like 2-sided tape is that you can see me having problems tearing off the plastic layer. I always tear off the whole thing instead of just the plastic layer itself, and I always wonder if I'm the only one who got problem with that. You know, too clumsy. Mark down where you have to cut, and you want to cut 1 to 2 mm longer than that. Hopefully no students will be playing this during lessons, otherwise I would be guilty as I ruined a good student. We want it to be foldable and easy to store, so we're going to make it happen. slightly bend bottom. Then my favorite step, press on the board directly. And it is nicely flat. We also want it to be a multiplayer game, so let's make the scoreboards. Cut 10 paper with equal size and write down 0 to 9 on them respectively. But remember to leave some space on top as we have to pierce through the top. Cut a wire into a circle and put the board and score paper together. Check if they go smoothly. Actually, you can make double-digit scoreboard if you like. Anyway, I will make another set of scoreboard to allow 2 players. Since it is not looking nice, so I will do some decoration. Grab yourself pastels or crayons. Use the tissue paper to gently rub color outwards. Use glitter pens to draw small decors on the white space. Make a paper board and use tape to secure the shape. When you make it, make sure it can fit the 5 marks hole. And it is fun time! Sadly, I don't have anyone to play with me, otherwise it would be more fun. Also, I never really succeed in throwing the ball into the 5-marked hole. But anyway, who cares? It is fun and easy to make. And when you don't want to play it, just fold it and keep it in the notebook. Easy and neat. If you like this, don't forget to share this video with your friends and subscribe to be in Gen Z family. I'll see you next week. Bye!